Hi, everybody, it's Nick at Atlantic Laser Scanning Services again. Today we're going to go back to the point cloud sharing platform called Stitch 3D. It's a fairly new, just since the first of the year here in 2024, and it's a really nice platform, simple to use. You can upload LiDAR data, you can upload terrestrial scanning data, whether it's Leica, Faro, Trimble, as long as they're non-proprietary file formats, you can upload the data. And once it's uploaded, there's a bunch of tools that are on this platform that we've been going through, and we're going to show you how to use some of those. Uh, this is something that not only can you upload, you can send an easy, quick link to your customer. They don't have to then, as we've been doing for years, download any sort of free software. You don't have to upload data, to your Google Drive, have them download it, them try. This is simple. You send them a link, they see exactly what you see right here on the screen, and they're able to do exactly the things that we're going to be showing you how to do today. Our previous videos, we've shown things like how to annotate, do the simple distance calculations. Today, we're going to do a fly through, and we're going to do a little bit of their version of a clip box. So let's take a look. This is actually some really nice scan data. It's a combination of both LiDAR and terrestrial scanning. This data was combined in another software platform and then uploaded to the Stitch 3D platform to be shared. So what we're going to start off by doing is using their version of a clip box. It's a slice, and once we turn that on, we'll just slice some of this point cloud data away, and we'll shut that off. And we can just take a look at what it is that we've got now. Let that build up. Yes, we've got some really nice inside data as well. So we will go and start our fly through here. The fly through option is really, really simple. It's a little different than what I myself have been used to with some of the software packages that I've used in the past. It's very, very easy to use. As soon as you choose fly through, you can see when you move your mouse around that you've got a small square, and that's just really just left click. It'll drop again, this is going to be different. It's going to drop a spot here, and that doesn't mean that this is where the camera is. You're going to be looking at the screen exactly like it is here. So you can't necessarily go down there to that spot and show what the camera position is. It's just what you're seeing on the screen. Now, we'll continue to move this around, and just for your reference, the right button on your mouse is going to move the point cloud back and forth, and the left is going to move your view. So we'll get to the side here. We'll just randomly drop another point. That's just going to give us this particular view. We can zoom in a little bit, move over, drop another point, and then we'll just continue to move around here. Just drop another point. Now, when I'm moving, I'm holding down that right button to move the point cloud. When I move the viewer, I hold down on the left button, because if I was to just tap the left button, I'm actually going to be dropping that view in, and I don't want to do that until I get to where I want to be. And we'll go here and just sort of finish here. Now, you can look on the left at the control points. They can be deleted. We can go back and completely start over if we want to. And as far as the actual fly through speed, that's easy to dictate because we're going to have the number of seconds that this is going to go. We'll just choose 15 so it's nice and slow. And we'll click play. There we are. Just that easy. Hit escape. We're back here. Now, again, this is something that once you upload a non-proprietary point cloud file project to Stitch 3D, you can download the data. You can quickly send a link over to your customer. They can be able to download it. They can just manipulate it. They can create these fly-throughs. Uh, this is really simple, you guys. It's inexpensive. And to save more money, you can use promo code ALSS for Atlantic Laser Scanning Services and save yourself an extra 10%. I want to thank everybody for your time today. I encourage you to stop by the Stitch 3D website and check it out. They've got even a free level where you can upload up to 5 gigs of data, share projects that way, moving all the way through up to, I believe it's 250 gigs of data that you can store on the platform. If you've got any questions we can help with, you can call us at 800-955-3960. Email us at info@atlanticlaserscanning.com. If you need Faro scanners, we rent them. If you need LiDAR, we rent that. We rent the drones for the LiDAR, and we are also a Recipe LiDAR uh, dealer. So if you're looking for, say, a Husai XT32 unit, we have those for sale as well, brand new. Thanks everybody for your time and good luck on your upcoming projects.